Okay, today we're gonna talk about your future plan. Uh, ini bukan tanaman masa depan, tapi about future plan, planning in the future ya. Do you have any plans for weekend? Apakah kamu punya rencana untuk weekend? For me, yes, because I got an information from my friends that my friends got an accident in Blitar. It is possible for me to reach him for now because it takes 2 hours from here and it's too far. For the hospital, he was hospitalized, and yeah, I just can't wait him coming back to his home. So my weekend plan for next, I'll try to catch him to see him about his condition right now.
Mm.
Yeah, that's my plans. Yeah, when it's possible for me, I try to reach him to see him about his condition because I got some friends information that he was so bad at the time. Yeah, because beside he was hospitalized, he also got a surgery, and yeah, he broke some his leg here.
Yeah, I hope your friend get better soon.
Amin, amin, amin. Thank
Mm.
you very much for your pray, and I do hope every single good pray will back to you as you pray to us. Yeah, thank you for your pray. And what about you, Sis Nana? Do you have any plan for weekend?
For weekend, I usually meet my friend to
Mm-hmm.
hang out. Maybe
Oh,
probably I think to going to mall.
wow, what a nice.
Mm-mm.
Oh, happy weekend, yeah, for you for the next, yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoying with the friends in mall. Okay, Andika, Juan,
Yes,
do you have any plan for weekend?
I do.
Okay, what's your plan for the weekend?
I will prepare my graduation because I've been chosen to be a leader of my event organizing team for my own graduation. So I need to
Mm,
prepare about that. From the event schedule, designing
mhm.
my own graduation scarf and graduation medal and everything basically. So
Nice, nice, nice. It's really great achievement to celebrate together with your friends. Yeah,
yeah,
it is the same age on you. I mean, it is your pressure time. I mean, it is the same age with you.
yeah.
Ah, what a nice. Yeah. Where are you gonna hold on?
What? Sorry.
Where are you gonna hold on? Di mana akan diadakan itu?
Oh, Tasikmalaya.
Wow, too far away. Okay. Happy meeting ya with your friends ya, bro.
Yes. Sorry, I want to ask you something.
What are you gonna ask me?
Why did you say before?
What did you say before?
Did you ask me that
Where are you gonna hold on?
hold on?
Hold on.
Oh, hold
Help.
on.
Diadakan. Help. Hold, help.
Okay. Just asking for a new vocabulary. Thanks, by the way.
Anyway. And Nia, hello Nia. Do you have any plan for weekend?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
Because this Friday actually is my birthday, so but my husband
Wow. Happy birthday.
not so much. But my husband still
Happy
working.
birthday.
So we're
Happy
gonna
birthday.
thank you.
Okay. You can
Yeah.
send us your cake picture yeah, next.
Do you want a cake?
I actually celebrate my birthday this week with my friends, so I have the picture of my cake. but but for next weekend, I will celebrate with my husband.
I see so. I see so. That's what's nice ya. Have a blessed year ahead, okay?
Thank you so much.
Terberkati setahun ke depan ya.
Amin. Thank
Amin,
you.
amin, amin. Thank you very much, Nia. And then Simto, hello, brother Simto. How are you?
Hello, good morning. I'm good,
Hello, good
thank you.
morning. What's your morning routine now?
I'm doing something,
Oh,
making a whiteboard.
oh, what nice. What is whiteboard for?
I will use the whiteboard for make like training. So
Ah,
I need
okay.
some whiteboard to write down something that important.
Incredible. So you make it by yourself?
Yes,
Wow.
I do
What
it by
great,
myself.
yeah. I guess that you are multi-talent man.
Thank you, brother.
Okay. You can show us a picture after finishing it, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, my bro. And then Faisal, hello, brother Faisal, how are you?
I'm fine, bro.
Okay, what's your morning routine?
Uh, After it had been for 4 days, I have
Mm-hmm.
I have a so I am busy to clean my home.
I see so, I see so. Okay.
I
Keep
make
your
it
health, yeah, brother, because you have many activities, yeah.
and my holiday. I make apa ya? I will make a beduk ya beduk.
Wow. Beduk apa ya? Beduk itu. That's a traditional, right?
Yes, but it's not. It has not been complete yet. Just the skin of God
Mm-hmm.
and the skin of a cow.
Okay. Thank you, my bro. Happy making, yeah, bro.
Okay, thank you, bye.
Okay. Do you have any plan for weekend? I mean, for next weekend?
Usually every weekend or holiday,
Okay.
we always at my home
Mm-hmm.
with my family. It's a full time for me to together with my family. Maybe.
Okay. Thank you very much, yeah, my brother Faisal. Okay. Ripka, hello Ripka. What's your morning routine, my bro? My sis, Ripka.
My morning routine is I start my morning with cooking for our breakfast,
Nice.
and then I just clean my house.
Okay. Then do you have any plan for weekend? Ada planning untuk weekend?
Untuk sekarang belum ada sih.
So you have no any plans? Okay. You have no idea about that, yeah. Brother Tariq is still on toilet, yeah. Brother Tariq asked me permission about going to the toilet just now. And do you have now or have you known about the way to talk the future by using will or be going to or a present continuous, guys? Apakah teman-teman punya wawasan untuk ini? Do you have any insight? Ada insight, ada wawasan untuk membicarakan future plan menggunakan will, menggunakan be going to atau present continuous?
Yes, we have.
Okay,
I have.
you have already read this one, yeah. So this one, look this example how will, going to, and present continuous are used. Oh, great! That's meeting at the work has been cancelled. I'll go to that yoga class instead. Jadi kalian bisa gunakan I will ini ketika tidak ada planning sebelumnya. It means sudden, in sudden. Another example you can see, for example, when you are on the yard, then you see a children playing and falling down from bicycles. And oh yeah, oh no, I will help you because you see a children falling down from bicycle. That's the second example. I will take it. When you see somebody passing through his money or her money, immediately it means you have you have no any plans at all. Kamu nggak punya planning. Jadi kamu bisa gunakan will ini. So you can use will as, as a thing you can do or as a thing you will do in a sudden or immediately. You got what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah. Then I'm going to try visit relatives in Australia this year. It means that you have any plans before. I am going to try. It means that you have planned before. The restaurant is reserved for 8. We are having a drink at the bills first. Ini menggunakan present continuous. We are using present continuous and mostly the same. Jadi bedanya apa? Kalau ini sudah ada prepare, sudah terjadwal. Kalau di sini will ini untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang tidak ada jadwal. It means in sudden, immediately. When you see something, you can immediately say, I will take it, I will help you, I will blah blah blah. It means you have no plans at all. Tidak ada planning. It is really hot here. Blah blah blah. A window. Kira-kira yang mana?
A.
I will
I will
open.
Because you have no any plans at all. Kamu nggak punya planning. I will open. I will open the window. I will open a window. Gitu ya. I have taught my bank to close my account. Saya sudah ngobrol sama bank untuk menutup akun saya. Blah blah blah. Account with more
I'm
etiquette.
going to open.
I'm going to open.
I'm going to open because even you have no plans, yeah, you have already thought that it is indicated that you are going to open your bank account. Is that right?
Yeah.
Then number 3, at the conference on Saturday,
I'm speaking.
I'm speaking. Kenapa menggunakan I'm speaking?
Nah, on Saturday still for ya.
No, because it's
Bukan I will speak.
already on schedule. Sudah terjadwal.
That one.
Sudah terjadwal. I have decided that. Saya sudah memutuskan hal itu. Blah 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 to my boss about the situation.
I'm going to speak. I'm going to speak.
Yang mana I will atau I'm going to speak.
Speak.
Aku sudah memutuskan hal itu.
I'm going to speak.
I'm going to atau I will.
I'm going to speak.
I'm going to speak. Jadi sudah direncanakan di situ. Nah, ini adalah lessonnya. We use a different form to talk about our plans in the future, depending on what kind of plan, ya, it is. A spontaneous plan itu apa? Secara bebarengan. Spontan itu spontanis ya, sorry, simultaneous bebarengan. Spontaneous itu berarti immediately ya. Pre-decided plans or an arrangement plans. Jadi plan yang sudah tersusun atau plan yang ditentukan atau putuskan sebelumnya. Gunakan will. Will you talk about the spontaneous plans decided at the moment of speaking. Oops, I forgot to phone mom. Oh ya, aku lupa untuk nelpon ibu saya ya. I'll do it later after dinner. It means it's spontaneously, or it's immediately you remember and you will call. Means that you have no plans before. I can't decide what I wear tonight, or what to wear tonight. I know I will wear my green shirt. Aku akan menggunakan baju warna hijau. It means that you have no plans to wear a green shirt before. There is no milk. I'll buy some when I go to shop. When I go to the shop. Wah, nggak ada susu nih. Aku akan membelinya lah kalau nanti pergi ke pasar. You get what I mean?
Yes.
Yes, but I have a question, bro.
Yeah, what are you gonna ask me?
About I'm speaking on Saturday.
I'm speaking.
It's the last example and above.
This one. Ini.
Yes.
Number 3. So I'm speaking is present continuous. But
Yeah, present continuous may be used for future plan too, brother.
oh,
What are the difference? Yeah, there are some books say related to this tense. Ya. Ada beberapa buku membicarakan tentang ini, like what is it? Marcella, and then Betty, Betty ya, Betty Second Scramper itu membicarakan tentang ini juga. Dan kalau di ujung-ujungnya itu sama, gitu. Sama, gunakan present continuous atau simple future. Next, tapi yang membedakan adalah waktu ini sendiri, waktu kejadiannya seperti apa, gitu ya. Seperti itu. Nah, dibahasnya di sini. Nah, ini sari-sarinya di sini. We is going to talk about plans decided before the moment of speaking. I'm going to phone my mom after dinner. I thought her I would call at 8 o'clock. Saya akan menelpon ibu saya setelah makan malam. Saya berbicara kepadanya bahwasanya aku akan menelponnya jam 8. It means that you have already decided, you have already scheduled that you would like to call your mom 8 o'clock after dinner. You got what I mean?
Yes, you got it.
I'm going to wear black dress tonight. Aku akan mengenakan baju hitam nanti malam. Itu juga jelas. Karena posisi kamu sudah menata baju itu ya. Seperti itu. I'm going to go to supermarket after work. What do we need? Setelah kerja, dia sudah merencanakan. Ini kalau pakai going to berarti sudah terencana. Dan pasti akan dilakukan. Ya, gitu. Kalau will berarti in sudden atau spontaneous. Kalau present continuous, we usually present continuous at the planned arrangement already confirmed at least one another person. Nah, ini yang membedakan. Jadi, already confirmed with at least one another person we know at the time and place. Jadi, kalau kita mau membicarakan ini, ya sudah tersusun. Kalau kita menggunakan continuous ini sendiri, rencana itu sudah tersusun. Waktunya sudah ditentukan, jamnya sudah ditentukan, ya tempatnya di mana, kayak gitu. Dan itu diakui tidak hanya satu orang saja, tapi satu di antara orang banyak kayak gitu. Bisa dipahami?
Yes.
Okay, bro. We got
I'm
it.
meeting Jen at 8 o'clock on Saturday. It means you or Jen has already known about the meeting, that the meeting will be held on at 8 o'clock on Saturday. Jadi semuanya sudah terjadwal. Biasanya kamu, Jen juga paham soal itu, gitu ya.
Okay. Okay, thank you, bro.
We are having party next Saturday. Would you like to come? Kita memiliki pesta di Sabtu depan. Biasanya di situ sudah ada edarannya, ya, suratnya, dan diakui banyak orang, dan diketahui banyak orang bahwasanya next Saturday itu bertempat di sini jam sekian sampai jam sekian kita ada pesta. Gitu. Clear ya? Hello, Brother Simto. Do you have any plans for the weekend or for next weekend? Yeah, we are having party on the church. Kita memiliki pesta di gereja. Bahasanya, pesta itu sudah diketahui atau disetujui banyak orang. Tempatnya di gereja mana, jamnya, dan seterusnya. Gitu ya, brother?
Okay, got it, bro. Thank you.
Nah, sekarang. Lanjut, I can come class next Monday. Aku tidak bisa datang ke kelas untuk Senin depan. Bla bla bla, to take a note.
I'm having.
I'm having.
I'm having.
Apa?
I'm
I'm
having.
having.
Ya, seperti itu. Karena apa?
Karena ada plan.
The plan.
Udah
Because it's
tersusun.
on the plan.
Karena kalau bertemu mencabutkan gigi kan berarti sudah janjian kan gitu lah. Kan sudah terjadwal dan diketahui oleh dokternya, diketahui oleh dia kan gitu. What bla 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 when you finish university? What are you going to do or what are you doing?
What are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
What are you going to do? Kenapa? Karena kan belum, ya memang kamu punya aturan atau kamu punya rencana yang akan kamu lakukan. Tapi kan tidak terjadwal, maksudnya tidak terjadwal kayak meeting itu kan saya interview di sini jam sekian sampai jam sekian kan gitu, nggak ada kayak gitu. What blah 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 this weekend?
What will you do?
What will
What
you do
will
this weekend?
what
Atau what
will
are you doing this weekend?
What
what
will you
will we do?
Hmm?
What will you do?
What will you do?
What will you do for this weekend? Karena kan nggak ada rencana ya. Shall we cook? Shall we cook or go out tonight? Haruskah kita makan atau makan keluar? Makan di luar nanti malam. Let's get takeaway. Bla bla bla.
I will look for the number.
I will look for.
I will look for. Karena sudden ya, nggak ada rencana. Diskusi kita ini yang agak berat. What do you envision as the most significant technological advance in the near future, and how might they impact our daily lives? Artinya apa sih? Apa yang kamu bayangkan, apa yang kamu imajinasikan ketika perkembangan teknologi paling signifikan di masa yang akan datang dekat-dekat ini, and how might they impact our daily life, dan bagaimana itu mengimbas ke kehidupan kita atau berimbas kepada kehidupan kita sehari-hari. Have you ever thought before about the Internet of Things? Have you ever thought before about online class? Have you ever thought before about Gojek? Have you ever thought before shopping online? Pernah mengira seperti itu?
Never thought.
We never thought about that. We never ever thought about that before. And now it happens.
Yes.
And everything will wonder, everyone, in the near future, and how might they impact our daily life, especially for not only shopping or stuff, but also vegetables, food, and so on, in the near future. And not only about that, because we have already seen on social media that some hotelier use already robots to serve the customer. Have you ever heard about it? Sudah pernah dengar di restoran menggunakan robot itu?
Yes.
I have seen.
We have heard.
And so, not only about that, China does everything more than that, because only a big factory use 3 people to monitor or to control robots to run one factory. Satu perusahaan dikendalikan oleh 3 orang aja, and all use robot. It's incredible. And you may discuss with other friends. You got what I mean? Nomor 1 paham nih maksudnya?
Yes, I got it.
Yes, I got it.
How will climate change and environmental issues shape the world in the coming decades? And what actions can individuals take to address this challenge? Bagaimana sih climate change atau isu-isu tentang lingkungan ini shape the world, membentuk dunia di dekade yang akan datang? Kira-kira aksi atau tindakan apa yang setiap individu bisa lakukan untuk menghadapi tantangan-tantangan ini? We have now might be for the trending topic on social media related to some places, some island that already becomes trending topic or viral because of the damaging of the environmental for the issues. Papua, and then Raja Ampat, and so on. Have you ever heard? Dengar itu di sosial media?
Yes, I have heard.
Bagaimana menurutmu climate change atau isu-isu environment, isu-isu lingkungan itu membentuk dunia di masa yang akan datang? di dekade yang akan datang. Dan aksi apa sih yang bisa individu lakukan untuk menghadapi atau memerangi tantangan-tantangan ini?
Okay,
Clear ya ini ya?
Yes.
What do you think about the future of work will look like, including the impact of automation or work? Menurutmu nih guys nih, kerjaan di masa yang akan datang itu akan seperti apa sih? Termasuk efek dari automation atau kerja di rumah kayak saya nih. Kerjaan masa yang akan datang itu seperti apa menurut kalian? Paham? Halo, clear?
Yeah.
Yes, it's clear.
In what ways might future healthcare change, and what role technology play improving healthcare services? Bicara seperti apa sih pelayanan kesehatan itu akan berubah di masa yang akan datang, dan peran fungsi apa yang teknologi mainkan untuk mengembangkan servis-servis atau pelayanan-pelayanan kesehatan nantinya. Pernah nggak kamu membayangkan itu? As you see now, you can do auto debit, yeah, especially for BPJS, for healthcare services, yeah. Hello.
Yes.
It means that you don't need to go to hospitals or customer service. You can directly connect your bank account to uh, the bank account of healthcare services, right? And how about the future? What do you think? Menurutmu masa yang akan datang itu seperti apa untuk pelayanan kesehatannya? What will education be like in the future? Menurutmu, guys, pendidikan di masa yang akan datang itu seperti apa? Bagaimana itu beradaptasi, ya, meet the involving needs of the students and society. Bagaimana itu beradaptasi kepada yang berkaitan, ya, yang siswa ataupun masyarakat butuhkan. Kira-kira lebih masuk akal atau enggak? Clear? Halo?
But too heavy to answer, bro.
Ya, memang ini diskusi berat kan. I think the education be like, the education in the future be like something that everyone can adapt to, yeah, especially for society or students' needs, because you see the curricula of Indonesia that has been already adopted from Dutch, and I think it's too hard for them to understand all lessons that the teacher give already, and it's wasting time, I guess. And what we need today is what we need to prospect, or what may be becoming a potential for us, for in the future, like the English itself. So everyone can be easy to take the lesson that they need to improve their skills, not getting the certification or certificate for me. Yeah. And it will be good or better when we apply or implement this course, yeah, like English course, yeah, in every lessons what everyone's need or society needs, especially related to a thing that they use in the future for potential business, for potential work, for other, for me, yeah. And it is the big challenge for us whether we have a great skill or not with this. Misal nih, ketika orang ngambil las, dia akan spesifikasi ngambil las aja gitu, karena it is the potential one for improving their skills. So they don't need to do having schools at the normal schools because they have already got a school. It only crucify, mengerucutkan everything what we need, and we don't need to waste the time to take all what we don't need. Yeah, it is okay. As we see now, we need the school to have some characteristic, yeah, or to sharpen our character. Yeah. But can you see the character of every student at the school for now? It's only issues, yeah, maybe. So how will artificial intelligence and machine learning continue influence various aspect of our life, including ethics or privacy? Bagaimana sih AI dan uh, machine learning itu melanjutkan untuk mempengaruhi semua aspek di kehidupan kita? Semua sih kayaknya sudah dipengaruhi ya. Education system has already affected, has already influenced by AI, by machine learning. Apalagi shopping center has already been influenced. Apalagi book, semuanya, including ethic and privacy, etika dan privasi. Bagaimana kira-kira mereka mempengaruhi privasi kita dan ya privasi kira-kira orang-orang nggak sadar ya. They haven't got to realize or they haven't realized yet yeah related to privacy or ethics when they play on social media. Then, what personal goals and aspiration do you have for future, and how do you plan to work toward? Apa goalmu secara pribadi dan aspirasimu di masa yang akan datang? Bagaimana kamu berencana untuk bekerja di masa yang akan datang? You can decide from now. Kamu bisa memutuskan mulai hari ini. Ready to discuss about this one? I think it's a hard thing to discuss. Ready to discuss, guys?
I think it is better discussing with you, brother.
Okay, okay. Halo? Kok pada diam ini?
Okay.
So, sorry, bro. To be honest, I just woke up.
You have just woke up and you are asked for the greatest discussion, yeah, especially for today.
Yeah.
Nggak
Yeah.
apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. It seems like there is work incoming. I have to go. Agung Rahmat. Tahu materinya kayak gini. Okay, well, are you ready to do breakout room now? Siap untuk breakout room?
Well, I guess.
Oke, kita diskusi di sini saja kalau memang tidak memungkinkan untuk breakout room. What do you envision for the most significant technological advancement in the near future, and how might the impact impact our daily life? Kira-kira apa sih yang kamu pikirkan signifikan perkembangan teknologi yang sangat signifikan ini di masa yang akan datang, dan bagaimana mereka akan mempengaruhi kehidupan kita? Apa yang Anda pikirkan kira-kira?
I think it's artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Well, I believe artificial intelligence and renewable energy technologies will be the most significant for AI. AI will make daily tasks more efficient, while clean energy solutions like solar and wind will help reduce pollution and lower electricity costs. Well, that's my opinion.
Okay, that seems like a windmill.
Yeah.
I see so. I agree strongly for renewable energy that comes in the future, because as you see now, we got some issues for some environmental issues and what is that? A climate change issues. Yeah, even it's already holding from long time ago. Yeah, and
Yeah.
rising up, but yeah, it is the time for us to think over, especially for young generation, to think over and over again related to the renewable energy that may be used for being the efficient or efficiency of using it, yeah, without any
Yes.
using natural resources or others, yeah. but
Yes.
it's kind of a thing, yeah. Especially it's a good challenge for young generation. And what about you guys? Yang lain, yang mana yang lain ini?
Yeah.
Hello guys, are you sleeping?
Hello.
For me, I guess,
I'm listening.
but I still listening even though I tired.
I'm
Yeah.
still listening.
Yeah, we just confused how to answer.
Ada yang baru datang tadi penghuninya 11 orang ya. Langsung pamit dia keluar. Okay, well, what I imagine, what I envision in the future, there must be lots of people unemployment, especially for those who work for government office or the one who works for factories. Because as I see now, the machine learning has been improved significantly. Yeah, that will change the function of the humans, especially for running the biggest commodity that factory provides, yeah, for everyone. Yeah. The first, there are some beneficial that they can take, especially for machine learning itself. They can produce continuously, efficiently, and mostly they due diligence related to the productivity of the factory itself. We can take an example for cigarette factories and fabric factories, cloth factories, and so on. And Indonesia has already prepared about this one, so we may be careful the way to do everything here, especially the way to sharpen our skills to get future skills that can surviving for our life, ourselves, and family. Yeah,
Mm.
for me, because um, we can take an example that I've just said to you. Restaurant in some areas of Japan and other places has already been using robot to serve the people because they thought that it's more efficient and they can set with the computer they have.
Yeah, for order ya.
Yeah, for waiter, waitress, yeah. And China has been already making the machines that controls every um every sector of the factory, every position of the factory. So they only need 3 or 4 people to control them or to control the robot itself. Because in 2 years ago, when COVID-19 came, I got invitation from international meeting that was not using Zoom or Google Meet because they really care for the issues, so they use their own apps that's called DingTalk. Jadi mereka nggak mau gunakan Google atau Zoom. Mereka
Yeah, because Google Zoom are from American.
yeah. So they were afraid the data was leaked. Yeah. Mereka takut datanya bocor, and they have already shown because we met the people who are a businessman for Indonesian. They collect 100 or million people to share about the idea for a business, yeah, new business in the future, because that was COVID-19 and we got a certification, especially international certification for what you said, a webinar. Yeah, that's kind of meeting that share about this is the China now. Ini adalah China sekarang. And yeah, it was 2 years ago. It was sound that the robot has already mapped and replaced the function of human.
Mm.
One big factory only run by 3 people. and most of the factory inside are robot. Semuanya udah dijalankan oleh robot. And that was real. And you know behind the scene siapa orang di belakang itu?
I don't know.
Jack Ma.
Jack
And
Ma.
we met the greatest man from Indonesia too. Kita bertemu dengan orang yang sangat luar biasa, Pak Gita Wirawan. Maybe you see, mungkin kamu bisa search di Google atau di YouTube ya, Gita Wirjawan atau siapa namanya ini. Ya, he is one of the speaker, and he was at Holland or Dutch ya, waktu itu di COVID-19 itu di Belanda atau di Amerika saya nggak tahu, atau di Inggris. Jadi kita meeting by Dintak itu sendiri. Jadi kita harus meet dan kita dikontrol oleh mereka. That's the great organization ya, especially for international meeting that I have ever met. Yeah, I ever joined. Finally, we are not able to comment or others. Yeah, after they got the data, or we only got the certification. Wow, that was wonderful. You can search Gita Wirjawan atau Pak siapa namanya, yang pemilik bank BSI atau siapa ya, pemilik bank apa namanya, dia punya bank juga di Indonesia. Yeah, that's about international thought ya, tentang pikiran-pikiran internasional. And machine learning or significant technology advancement will really impact for our daily life in the future, in the near future, brother and sister. So for now, you may do diligence for yourself. Anda bisa memilah dan memilih untuk diri Anda sendiri, especially the way to sharpen your own skills. Cari skill yang memungkinkan untuk menguntungkan diri Anda dan keluarga. You may do diligence, do everything what you need and what you don't need to do. Lakukan apa yang butuh atau nggak butuh dilakukan. Start from now. It's not too late to do. Nggak telat untuk melakukan hal itu. Really, brother and sister. For now, I like to plan because for near future, I think cover about the way to invest my money for buying some lands to make food production by myself. Harus bisa membuat pangan sendiri. For me ya. For me. So you may envision yourself. Jadi teman-teman bisa berimajinasi atau memikirkan untuk dirinya, keluarganya. Do diligence for yourself. Do diligence itu maksudnya uji tuntas diri Anda sendiri gitu. Tanyakan apakah saya butuh, apakah ini berguna apa enggak buat keluarga, buat negara atau buat saya. Because China has been already coming to Indonesia. China sudah mulai masuk ke Indonesia ini. Whether you believe it or not. Yeah. You know nickel that has already been viral or trending topic now. The only China can make machine for the for nickel itself, for making the battery, for electricity of vehicles. Yang bisa buat mesinnya itu dari China. The only one. So Indonesia will rely on to the China. Yeah. Reach it for now. Do diligence for yourself. Intinya gitu. Clear ya?
Okay.
Thank you for advice.
Yeah, even actually I know a little ya related to this country. Saya tahu sedikit saja tentang negara ini. My friend becomes a minister of behind the minister of siapa itu? Menteri Keuangan siapa itu?
Sri Mulyani.
Yeah, but he worked for professional. He was out from that circle. Dia keluar dari situ dan dia membantu aja untuk bikin research. Jadi saya sedikit ada bocoran-bocoran. How will climate change and environmental issues shape the world in coming decades? Bagaimana sih isu-isu climate change dan juga isu-isu tentang lingkungan itu mempengaruhi dunia di era atau di dekade yang akan datang? Bagaimana kita sebagai individual itu bisa menghadapi atau memerangi tantangan-tantangan itu, menghadapi tantangan-tantangan itu. Punya ide enggak untuk memerangi climate change dan isu-isu tentang lingkungan? Have you ever thought about? Pernah berpikir tentang itu?
Yes, I have.
What do you do as individual? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan? What will you do as individual?
I make a plan by myself with a little plan in beside home.
That's good job, brother. Agree strongly. We can provoke other people, or we can provoke other to make it as we do. Yeah, especially making a simple plan or a green area in surround of our house. Yeah, because that's the only plants the only solution. Menanam or planting
And
is the only
reduce about transportation.
it is not possible, sister, because they have a target, and Indonesia has been 80% as the market of every product, clothes, vehicles, and so on. Indonesia itu 80% adalah market dari mereka. So it is not possible. It is impossible for us to stop it. And yeah, that's legal. Dan itu legal. Yeah. So what we can do as individual, yeah, we can make a greenhouse for ourselves. I mean, green area for us ourselves. Yeah. Planting is the only solution because the first you can create the oxygen by yourself. Pertama alasannya adalah kamu bisa menciptakan oksigenmu sendiri. Have you ever thought deeply about you yourself and your environment for you and your family? Pernah berpikir tentang dirimu dan keluarga lebih dalam, especially for some oxygen you use in every
At home I use air purifier.
Yeah.
Because
oxygen can be
in
produced
Jakarta
by
has pollution, bad pollution.
The only tree can produce the oxygen, guys.
Ya.
Hanya tumbuhan yang bisa memproduksi oksigen.
But about the vehicles, I think we need to change to electric vehicles, so no carbon to make bad pollution to reduce gitu loh.
I think that's just blunder because there are many part of vehicles, especially for electricity vehicles, that made by nickel, and the nickel itself, Indonesia has become the country that produces the biggest nickel production, especially from Indonesia's natural resources. The more you use the electricity vehicles, the more you damage the area where the nickel found or invent. Nikel ditemukan, ya di situ akan dirusak. It's blunder. Complicated, right? So we can do as we can. Ya, kita bisa lakukan apa yang kita bisa, especially planting. Why planting? Because you can save the water by planting. Dengan menanam kamu bisa menyimpan air. Because the only plant can make the water absorb into the soil and saved dan tersimpan. The second, the only plant can reduce carbon dioxide and pollution. And the only plant also release the